introduce myself. My name's Mercury the Magician. Welcome to the little show. Now, the show is fast. You've already been here, boys. I know it's the same show again, so you might as well roll. Keep your eyes on the magic wand. My name's Mercury the Magician. Welcome to the little show. Now, the show is fast, so we're going to hurry. So you're correct to stop right there. You don't have to scurry. I do work for tips, but I don't cause fury. Because you folks get to decide what the show's worth. I'm transparent, not blurry. I'll turn your mind to slush, and maybe even to slurry, but don't fret and definitely don't worry. Because this little show is all in good fun. And whether or not you realize, it's already begun. Keep your eyes on the magic wand. It's about to vanish. I can already tell this man's a non-believer. I'm going to have to try to turn him. Keep your eyes on the magic wand, because it's about to vanish through the powers of camouflage. I'm just teasing. Settle down. Settle down. Gotta roll up my sleeves, otherwise you guys are gonna say I'm cheating. I am cheating, I just don't want you saying it. You know, somebody that night told me that thing looked like a drumstick. Well, it don't look nothing like chicken to me. 0 people on that one. This is a hot start. Fantastic. You know what? I think I see what's going on there. That ain't working quite right. Half the time it acts up on me. Now it works. Just a sec. I got a spare inside. Usually I got an extra one in there. Don't panic, guys. I got a spare inside my vest. I remember now. I remember. Yep. I mean, no sense having a big coin purse. That's only going to make your wand look smaller. That's a life lesson, unfortunately, gents. Well, ready to play? That's what I want to hear. The jumping coin. Keep your eyes on it. Up. Up. Man, even I would have been impressed by that. You're watching a guy on a wharf lower your expectations. The jumping coin. Sometimes the coin falls down. Other times that coin jumps. Straight up. 6 months of my life alone in my bedroom for that moment. Yeah. If we could try that one more time, a round of applause, that would make me feel a little bit better about that time. Everybody say, don't go. Come back. Don't go. Jumping coin in reverse. Sir, with the negative body language, you're going to be very impressed by the coin in reverse. Maybe it is not the best that way. Okay, forward, watch it. Standing ovation, you guys are too kind. One time I wasn't paying attention, you know what happened? That coin went in a jump right up the nose. No, it's just, that ain't good. Do you mind if I wipe that off on your shirt? Just to clean it up a little bit? I'm just teasing, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. There's only one way to properly clean a coin like that. You guys probably know. If I take the coin, pass it right through into the pocket. I think it made it all the way in there. Let's see. Yep, there it is. Can you guys see the outline there? The outline of the coin. Thank you, that's my favorite joke. Because it should be able to come right back through. But personally, you guys want to see the classics, and I don't blame you. The coin in this man. We'll get you right up here, Ethan. You'll do fantastic, I promise you. We'll get you spun around towards the audience. Just this way. Beautiful. And can you hang on to that for me? Just like that. Perfect. You're a natural. Have you done this before? Solid through solid. 3, 2, 1. It'd be nice if we all counted together. 3, 2, 1. That's the correct response, Eka. He was fantastic working with the likes of me, folks. We'll get you right back down there, young man. Give him a round of applause, folks. He was excellent. Now, as some of you guys can tell, this is just an illusion. It's one of those things that looks really good from the front. Unfortunately, from the side, it's no good at all. It's weird. It's just a head-on thing. I got to get those back from you before you start to scrutinize too closely. Thank you very much. We'll take one of the rings, put it on. Other one's going to come off the bottom. That one's going to travel from the bottom right up to the top. Now, me personally, I don't care. Top, bottom, I'm just thankful to be at the party. You folks can relax, the young ones don't get that one, and if they do, I'm gonna put that on you guys. Anybody wanting to get a picture of a magician here tonight? I have to say, this is your best opportunity. Nobody cares, I'll keep it rolling. You want to help? Here. Can you take that off for us? Unbelievable, we got a natural.